precious painting, a crafted sculpture, an exquisite piece of jewelry. Each a form of artistic expression, embodying beauty that stands the test of time. Welcome to Jewelry Trail with Sri Raj Mahal Jewellers, and today's episode is all about artistic and luxury jewelry. In the context of Indian historic art, the majestic sculptures and paintings of the Ajanta and Ellora caves not only continue to provide visual delight, but also serve as the inspiration for artistic jewelry even today. And their modern day interpretation can be found at Sri Raj Mahal Jewellers. Every era has been defined by distinctive style in jewelry. And just as the cycle of fashion returns like a swing of a pendulum, so do inspirations in jewelry. While the 18th century saw diamonds rule jewelry designs, in the 19th century, jewelry was inspired by historical and archaeological designs. In the 1950s in particular, the Art Deco movement took center stage, and Art Deco jewelry was characterized by dense concentration of gemstones and strong geometric lines. And while all jewelry is a form of art, artistic jewelry is an attempt to go beyond the interpretation of classic designs. And in modern times, artistic jewelry is transformed into exquisite luxury jewelry. Today we're going to discover designs by a company that constantly believes in reinventing themselves, Sri Raj Mahal Jewellers. Sri Raj Mahal Jewellers was established in 2009 by the Goel brothers, Ashok, Praveen and Pradeep, with a vision to create a new benchmark in the world of retail jewelry. With a successful showroom in Karol Bagh and a loyal fan following among the stars, it is clear that this brand has already established itself as a leading jeweler in the market. He is the face of Sri Raj Mahal Jewellers and is the man responsible for the constant innovation and groundbreaking designs. Meet Praveen Goel, who's forged a new path in the jewelry business.
In India, we have seen there is an old tradition of family jewelers. Being a first generation of jewelers, our company is doing well because we have broken that tradition by giving our customers attention and value.
Given their non-traditional background, we had to ask what led to the creation of Sri Raj Mahal Jewellers.
Basically, the shine of a diamond is always attracted me. That's why I wanted to get into this industry, where I could craft this diamond into a masterpiece. Gifting jewelry is always symbol of building relationship. And that is what Sri Raj Mahal Jewellers is all about, building strong relationship.
And with his passion for design, it's only fitting that the brand crafts collections that cater to both sexes and to every occasion.
Bridal jewelry, daily wear jewelry, gift items, it suits each and every buying occasion. Whoever steps into Sri Raj Mahal should take something or the other.
Apart from creating some beautiful pieces, the brand also believes in lending their support to worthy causes. Case in point, their participation in Fashion for a Cause with NGO Lakshyam, which saw Delhi's leading designers and society names take to the ramp to show their commitment to child and women development. Some eye-catching pieces on the ramp. But now it's time to get up close and personal with the brand. So I'm about to visit the Sri Raj Mahal Jewellers showroom in Karol Bagh in Delhi to meet up with the man behind the brand, Mr. Praveen Goel. Hi Praveen.
Hi, how are you? Fine.
I'm so happy to be here in Delhi in Karol Bagh at Sri Raj Mahal Jewellers.
Thank you.
I really want to know, why the name Sri Raj Mahal Jewellers?
This is a very interesting story. I went to my Guruji for the name, suggesting a name. He gave me an option starting with the word S, R and M. I took all the three letters and made SRM. It stands for Sri Raj Mahal.
I want to know what is Sri Raj Mahal Jewellers ka USP?
The main thing is designing.
Each design is unique from the other.
Yeah.
And I can actually agree with that because यहाँ पे I can only see one piece prettier and more intricate than the other. But please tell me about that piece.
This one. It's a choker You see, we use fancy diamonds,
Right.
enamel work. This design is come from the traditional Indian ambi work. Ambi work, you can see on enamel work on this. You want to wear this?
How lovely.
Yes, it's look nice.
How beautiful is this piece and so very special.